Grabe dito si Richard Velchez, nagpalipad ng kabantayan, explosive na naman sa ilalim si Padi. Daming magagandang assist ni Kit Jimenez, may flashy pass pa kay Velchez, walang nagawa mga bantay sa OG Dayo Place. Sagasa din malala si AJ sa kabila, ayaw din magpapatalo. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Sigurado.
Nako, sarado na yun.
Pero kami naabot parang may late na nagsasara dito banda sa sa
Well,
kasama ni Kim.
I covered one of his games kung saan I think he went, fourth
From last season. I felt that was a breakout season for him. Really good to place.
There was a MPBL back then and the Bacolod team back then. Ascanial. Kit Jimenez, binabantay niya. Kino, down low they go. Aliano goes to Suma. That's a corner three. It's good.
They just continue to execute.
Jimenez to Haliane. Thought that was a foul.
Yeah.
The fadeaway won't go. Sunga, the stick back.
Isa sa mga namumuna pagdating sa scoring para dito sa Sarangani.
Movida, corner three is good. Yan, quickly to double Z, and Movida will finish. Gozo. Murillo will try again. Book it this time. Rebound Brillantes. Quickly to Alves. Hoy finishes up top.
Anong decelerate niya as he approaches the cup. Good pass.
There's on the jumper. Intel tracks it down. Saldua is ahead and they'll finish. Bacolod has really turned the intensity up a notch defensively, but Galian Kit will launch a three. Lars Jimenez from deep. Natunga. The counter steal from Aquino. 3-on-2. Canial lays it in for two. Velchez, bigay kay King and balik kay Richard Velchez, who gets his first basket of the AJ. Sunga fires a pass to Jimenez and Junji misses the layup. Kit is there to clean it up.
Even at that point, napaka-unself.
Run. Saldua. Junji with a jumper. Destacamento with a rebound. Bigay kay Velchez, and he's come off the bench. Getting past the defense, finds Velchez again. Oh! Richard Velchez. No, nagkalaman din no?
Oo.
Look out, King Destacamento. Alam na ng mga teams yung tendencies mo, no? And that's a challenge for JC Adje. Destacamento puts the ball on the deck, a foul, and a bucket. Gozo. Oh, what a finish up top.
Against that shot.
Aquino drives, left-handed layup is good. Charles finds Haliare inside, beautiful move. Destacamento secures the rebound. King sees a gap and lays it in for two. Pero they let this one go. AJ finds Pasias, the extra pass. Aquino for two. Janjan goes to JC. AJ, book it. Agaw, ang Tubo Slashers. AJ to tie. Oh! That's Soriano is blocked. Haliare is ahead. Haliare lays it in for
Running the other side of the floor every time you have. Ooh!
Haliare gets away from the double team. Finds Jimenez. Labas muna si Kit. Bigay kay Koy for two. Haliare. Push shot, good.
Clock.
Aquino, catch and shoot.
Yeah, it is. That's his first made three-pointer for the season.
Destacamento looking around, finds Junji Halyare.
Ang mga wingmen nito, mga Sarangani. If it's one pass away, they're gonna cut.
Aquino with a rebound. Tubos Slashers can tie the game. Yes! Halyare attacks the defense. The runner won't go. Saldua. Halyare at the line. That's the chased his basketball dreams in the PBL in Manila. And he got Tubose one-on-one with Kit Jimenez. No good. Saldua with a rebound. Nilabas niya. Tubose for three. No. Saldua tip in. No good. Alves comes away with a loose ball and he's fouled.
Oh, wow, the first. I see a foul.
They go to Jimenez. He's fouled by Alden Canoy. Came out pa ang Bacolod. 10 of 17 at the line. Sarangani, they missed their last. They get the ball to Dubose. Kanyal inside. He scores. Canoy to inbound. Dubose. And he will run out of time. And Sarangani will pick up their 5th win of the season.